What's up guys, it's Jazz with the Neurodivergent Dog Trainer, and today we're going to be teaching the leave it command. We're going to be teaching this based off of a game progression, but this is going to be a command that once you can teach it, you start using it in different contexts, it is going to save you so much mental strain. So let's get into it. So the first part of this game is going to be just an introduction. So you're going to have a treat in each hand, and then you're just going to present your hands like this. They're going to go after one of them. You're going to close that hand. The second they stop trying to get this and they look over at this or at you, you're going to tell them to take it and present the treat to them. So this is what that looks like. Come here. Leave it. Yes, take it. Good boy. Hey, hi. Turn. There you go. Leave it. Take it. Yes, good boy. Leave it. I hope you're prepared to get nibbled on. Hey. And when they do this, show them the other treat. Let them know that it does exist. Hey. Take it. Yes. Ready? Whoa. I go. Leave it. He's actually the worst of the two at this, which is why I picked him for this one. So you guys can see my dogs are not perfect at this stuff. He's very hard-headed, which I find hilarious. Take it. Yes. Good boy. Leave it. Yes. Take it. Good boy. So he's starting to get it. He's starting to fight a little bit less. He's getting the game. Leave it. Hey. And that's his frustration. Hey. Leave it. Take it. Yes. So, once he gets a little bit better at this, which I'm going to show you guys the next progression, even though he's not fully ready for it yet. Leave it. Because this can take about 5-10 plus minutes at a time. Yes, take it. Good boy. Good, leave it. So what you're going to do next is present the treat in one hand, but reward from the other hand. Hey, Merle. So what you're trying to do here is look at you and leave the treat in your hand alone. Merle, come here. Good boy. Leave it. Yes, take it. Good boy. So because they've already gotten used to looking at your other hand, leave it. Take it. Good boy. Leave it. Take it. Yes. So you can see he's caught on to the idea pretty quickly. Before we move on, if you guys are getting any value out of this, make sure to hit that like button and leave me a comment on your thoughts. And have you done this with your dogs before or not? Third iteration is a lot more difficult. It's going to require you to be a lot faster. What you're going to do is you're going to put the treat on the ground, tell them to leave it, cover it if you need to. Like, don't let them get to it. Leave it. Yes. And as soon as they look away from it, reward them. Leave it. So this part I usually break down to a few more steps itself. Yes, take it. Where I start with it completely covered and I slowly start uncovering it as he gets less interested in it. Leave it. Yes. No. Take it. He's very distracted by his sister barking right now. Leave it. Merle, come here. Take it. Good boy. So I'm having to toss treats to keep his attention right now. But what you're going to do is eventually get to where you can say, leave it, he's gonna completely look away from it. And you can just take it. And whenever you tell him to leave it, he's gonna leave it. This you do have to practice in many different situations to get it to that point. He is not at that point yet. We use leave it a lot, especially when he tries to jump up on counters and everything, because his favorite thing to grab are the towels. So we had to put them on the counter. But yeah, those are the different games that we use to introduce leave it. Honestly, the puppies aren't great at the games because we did start introducing the actual word leave it and getting their attention away from stuff from day one, because they were grabbing the dish towels off of the stove handle here. So we can't keep dish towels there just because that's setting them up for failure. So they would come and they'd try to grab it. And we go, leave it, redirect them onto a toy and get them to go do something else. So with treats, they're actually really bad at leaving it. But they're getting the concept with other things. So if we're out in the store and I tell them to leave it, they are getting better about looking up at me. At which point I do make sure to reward them, because that takes a lot of self-control to go, fine, hi. So I'm gonna reward that because I want that to keep happening. If you guys like that video, make sure to leave a like and leave me your thoughts down in the comment section so we can have a discussion. I can try to clear some of this up because I feel like I ran through that really fast. And if we need to, we can do a part 2. And that's totally fine. I'm cool with doing that if that's what you guys would like me to do. But if you'd like to join our community of dog training from a neurodivergent perspective and what all that encapsulates, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.